A think aloud is not a read aloud. These two get mixed up all the time, so let's define them more clearly. A read aloud is when we read the words of the text with our reading voice, smoothly, fluently, and out loud. Students often follow along, tracking the print and hearing our expression. This is all valuable, but this is not a think aloud. In reading instruction, a think aloud requires the teacher to read aloud and think aloud. If all you do is read the text to the students, I'm modeling decoding and fluency, but not cognitive decision making. Think alouds use two voices, the reading voice and the thinking voice. They're active, they're animated. They give the teacher space within the read aloud to pause, react, question, and reason out loud. Think alouds make the teacher's thinking about the text visible to students. It's like this: read a little, think a little. Read a little, think a little. That's how students begin to recognize the invisible decisions that readers and writers make. When we confuse a think aloud with a read aloud, students hear the words but miss out on the thinking.